Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Judy Africana TV. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate you. Okay, so I made a barbecue or chicken and I decided to share the recipe with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my kitchen. Okay, so I've got my baking glass right there with me. I'm using the baking glass because I want, to make sure the chicken is kept moist. And then I've got my old chicken. I've just, cleaned it up and cut it, in the middle to open it up. So I'm going to use the olive oil to spray, just give it a good bath with olive oil. And yeah, so I've got my barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce of your choice, and barbecue powder as well. But I'm not going to be using the sauce right away. I'm just going to, use the barbecue powder, the olive oil, and then the seasoning I've got there is salt, one chicken cube, aromatic powder, and another chicken seasoning right there. So I'm gonna use a spoon and just kind of, blend them, together so that it's really easy to distribute the spices evenly. When, you know, you know, I'm stuck for words. I don't know what else to say. Oh, YouTube. Like I said before, I'm not going to use the barbecue sauce right away. So I'm just going to set that aside and, just begin to make sure that I give this chicken a good massage. Yes, you have to make sure that it's well coated in the seasonings. So, yeah. So while doing this, I've actually preheated my oven. It's always good to preheat your oven, before you get the chicken ready. So yeah, I just set it to 220 because I wanted it to slow cook. I just didn't want it to be too hot. So now it's well coated. I've, covered it with foil and it's going straight into the oven. Using foil will prevent it from drying out, actually. Yeah, it's our chicken after, I think it was an hour. I gave it an hour, just to make sure. Can you see? Can you just see? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Can you just see it? It's actually really cooked, but it's not golden brown yet. So now I'm going to give it a good coating of the barbecue sauce, give it a second massage. And then it will be going back into the oven. This time I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to set the oven to grill setting, and then leave it for maybe 10 minutes, just to allow it have that crispy look. Yeah, and barbecue chicken is ready. Okay, so the chicken is back into the oven, and now it's time for me, to sizzle. Of course, you know that I've always said in my video, I love the sound it makes when it comes to sizzling, right? So, this is just bell pepper and onions, just sizzle a few of them. It goes well with the chicken. Now my chicken is ready and it looks so beautiful, and the taste, oh my goodness, out of this world. Yes, how I served it, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love beautiful meal. And the sauce from this barbecue chicken, oh my goodness, tastes so good. So why don't you try it at home? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.